Get crossing too much, Brian. We're going to be here a while.
Alright, if I stop short, can you make it?
Well, let me... yeah, just don't block it.
Another Amtrak train killing another bird. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
We're cut out. I got cut out. Alright, very good. I got the tickets for the ones that got on here. Roger, thanks, sir.
So there's another dead bird on this train. I just saw the splatter right by the nose. I'm saying the other one I caught was on the cow catcher, but this one's on the nose of the train. You know, for some reason, I think I caught this unit.
Kirkwood, Missouri, the Amtrak 314 departure. Back down.
You know, for some reason, I think I already caught that unit. I caught it when that stupid biker was going across the tracks.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's the same unit because I recognize that horn.